morning, Bokaro. Hi, dear students. Today I am going to discuss with you a topic that is quite close to your heart. Normally, we send you contents on reading section or writing section or literature section. But today, in a special class, I just thought that I would share with you some important topic, some important ideas on how to speak. And I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy this class very nicely. So dear students, when you want to speak, you feel I may not be able to speak. I may not have the required ability to speak myself, to speak my soul. But what I mean to say that you are a very nice guy, and as a good person, you are always eligible to speak or to express your ideas in a very fluent manner. How can it be? It can be possible only with your own support. When you think that I can't do this, then only you fail. But when you think that I am the master of my own soul, I am a king in my own way, you will definitely be able to do justice with yourself, and you can speak at any platform, in any committee. You can share the stage with any person, and you can really do wonders with your own power. So, my dear students, you can speak well with the following ideas that I am going to share with you now. Like the first idea is, you have to be a master of spoken English. Be ready to master. And for mastery, you definitely have to have exercise. If you can't exercise, then I can say it's not possible. But if you try, keep on trying, keep on making attempts, then you will definitely be a winner. Just like William or Douglas became a winner, just like any great person, just like Gandhiji became a winner, you can also be, just like Neeraj Chopra became a winner, you can also be a winner in your life with your attempts. Here you have a great idea. Have confidence. Have confidence in yourself. You need to trust yourself. Trust your worthiness that okay, I am fit for this action. I can do this. There is no power to defeat me. I have the courage to speak. I am the man who is here to do all the great things possible. I can do. Confidence to do your action. Confidence to do a thing in a proficient manner. So you must have confidence in you. Further, expression. Have expression in your mind. Whenever you want to speak something, be ready to speak with your power. Be ready to give word. Be ready to pronounce. Be ready to have an expression, have an idea, have your motive, and be ready to speak without any tension. Like if you want to speak large sentences, long sentences, don't worry. Don't worry for that. You go for small sentences. Instead of saying to your mother, "Mother, please give me food," you can also say, "Food, please." If you want to say your teacher, "I want to give an answer to your question," you can also tell your teacher, "Sir, answer. May I answer? Sir, I would like to answer." So this way you can answer your question. Again, you have trust in yourself. Like for being a good speaker, you must trust yourself. Must have a feeling that I am the master, I am an efficient person, I am a well-known person, and whatever knowledge you have, you must have self-pride. You must have a feeling that okay, I can do this. Never feel that I can't do. Always feel I can. Whatever knowledge you have, you must have a feeling that okay, with this knowledge I can really conquer. I can really do well. I can really do the work that is intended to be done by me. Further, this winning attitude. So you have a winning attitude. Without winning attitude, you always feel that I might lose. So never think of losing. Always think of winning. And winning what? Winning your own tension. Winning your own lack of confidence. Winning your own doubt. Winning your own lack of goodness. Winning your own lacking. So if you are are able to win yourself, win your own mind, win your own soul, win your own senses, then definitely you can speak, you can express. Further, love for English. So if you want to really excel, love your soul, love the language, you must read grammar, must practice speaking, must acquire knowledge from every source that is possible, and with the love for English you will definitely excel. So dear students, be prepared to excel, be prepared to enjoy, and if you are prepared, if you really want, nobody can stop. To conclude this talk with the words of Dr. Kalam, dream, 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 dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. So as you are a good dreamer, as you are a real person, as you are a very nice guy, so with all your goodness, with all your nice qualities, you will definitely excel and you will definitely speak. So with all these words, I would like to end this talk, and I would say you will be a very nice speaker. Keep smiling, keep enjoying. Have a nice day. Thanks.